Nigerians are being urged to accept Nigerian-made goods, particularly Nigerian textiles. In order to help Nigerian business owners become known in the global market, Nigerians have also been asked to make sure they support exports and patronize Nigerian business owners. This call was made during an ՕJÓ ՕJÀ exhibition event in Abuja that featured fabrics created in Nigeria, and the RISE correspondent Benjamin reports.
Nigerian textiles made a bold statement in Abuja. They are more than just fashion. They are a narrative that the entire world needs to see. The call of the venue exploded, beside with African craft and beautiful Nigerian decoration lit the entire venue. Ga-Adiri Indigo Ashoke glistened. Stories from Akwete patterns predate Nigeria. Drums talked, dancers moved, but the textiles spoke loudest. That sentence turned as the event's central theme, ՕJÓ ՕJÀ. Nigerians have worn these waves to funerals, celebrations, and weddings for generations. Here, however, the appeal was different. Let's not hide our roots. Export it, put a brand on it, make everyone wear it.
As a ministry, we express the assurances of our administrative and technical support, as well as the readiness to create an enabling environment for the production and marketing of our local fabrics to thrive.
Designs fused Ashoke with streetwear. From Yoruba performance to Igbo fruit singer, the message was clear. Pride at home is step one. Global presence is step two.
In Nigeria today, we believe cultural diplomacy is an excellent path towards trade, towards development, towards economic value. And having events like these where we showcase the cultural components, the different items that come from our culture, and especially made by us, with stories from us, is super important, and we strongly believe in supporting events like these where culture leads to various other things.
Afrobeat did it with sound, Nollywood did it with film. Now Nigerian textiles are next. The colors are loud, the patterns are centuries deep. The only thing missing is the world's attention. Where are our Nigerian textile factories? The organizer of ՕJÓ ՕJÀ, Aduni Fabrics, worried that the government must quickly bring them back to boost business and create more jobs for the youth.
ՕJÓ ՕJÀ by Aduni Clothing was born out of love for culture, our heritage, our identity that we thought we needed to protect. What is Adire? Where is it made? What is Ashoke? What is it being used for? How do we even reposition all these fabrics to generate growth in terms of profit and in terms of visibility on global stage? I actually want our government to do more, because I won't say they've not done anything. We heard that recently the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was looking at creative economy, and through Bank of Industry, they were trying to revive the moribund textile company. But we wish it could be done faster, because there is a craving for our textile. Where is our UNTL? Where is Aswani textile? Where is Kaduna Mill? Our cotton, I learned that our cotton, the products of our cotton, the locally grown cotton in Nigeria, is finer than what we are buying from China. So I want our government to look inward, beyond oil. Our cultural fabric should be revived.
Here at ՕJÓ ՕJÀ, government officials were not left out as they danced to the drummers who kept everyone amazed with their rhythm.
We are partnering with as many initiatives from the private sector that we can use to drive the economy of Nigeria.
Our fabrics and our clothing, our music and our dance, our identity and our history. If we don't showcase them to the world wouldn't know who we are. Benjamin, Arise News.